Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome in your computer class. So, in this class, as we are looking for chapter 2, creating chart, right? This one is the name of our chapter, and in that, in last week, we have seen the introduction of the application and its window, and then in next class, we have seen the elements of chart, means what are the content that a chart is having. So in continuation of the same topic, now today we are going to see how to create a chart, and then second we will see different types of charts, and along with that bit of formatting of the table. Okay, so first we will start from formatting a table. So here you see that as you can see, I have made a small table just like the last week. The same table we are continuing here. So I have created a small table in which 3 students data is there, and their 3 subject marks are there, right, as we have done. Now to make it little bit good, or to do the formatting, I'm just giving the demonstration how to do the formatting of these. So in formatting, all the content related to formatting is here on your home tab. In home tab, from this font group, you can change the font name, right, font face. Then from this you can change its font size. From here we can make it bold, italic and underline. We can draw the borders, and we can highlight the cells, and we can change the color of the font. So all the content related to fonts, means the text, is available on this font group. Then the alignment, means from here you see these numbers are displaying on the right side of the cell, where the names are displaying at the left side of the table or the cell, and these headings are in the center, means this is called alignment, right? The text should appear from the side, that is alignment. So we can make the changes from this. So alignment can be changed from alignment group. Okay, so here you go. Like suppose I want to make all the content should display at the center, then what should I do? I will just select these rows and columns like this by dragging my mouse from here to this, right? Then after doing the selection, what I will do, I will go this alignment table, then from alignment table we will just click over here. So see, this text came in center. Now one more thing is to be configured, like there are 6 kind of alignment, rather in Word we have seen only 4 kind of alignment. Word में हमने से 4 तरह के alignment देखे, left, right, center और justify, but here they are 6. Why are they? So this is the alignment for the height wise, means this will take as sides, and this one is for the height. So how? Like this, suppose the height of my rows are getting changed. I have selected this, and then I am changing the height. Now see, the height of my rows is being increased, right, like this. Now all the content of the cell are displaying from the bottom of the cell. Now if I will select that all, I have kept my cursor here, then I will press shift key, and then I will click at the last cell, then whole table will be selected. Done. This selection is done. Now after doing this selection, here this is for the bottom, means content are aligned at center, then they are at the bottom. Now if I will click on this, then this is center and center. Can you see the change? Now they are at the center. If I will click on this top, then they are at the top of the cell. Got it? So this is height wise alignment, and this is width wise alignment. Okay, so I have taken center both. Now after this alignment, let's change the font face. So from here you can change the font face, but which one we are having is good, so I will keep the same like this. Now the size, let's change the size, 14 is sufficient. Then heading, we can make it bold, so let's select. Now one thing you always remember, whatever the application you are using, if any certain kind of formatting you are applying, getting my point, चाहे आप वर्ड यूज़ करें, एक्सेल यूज़ करो, पावर पॉइंट यूज़ करो, या कोई भी एप्लीकेशन यूज़ करो, वर्ड का हो या लिनक्स का, अगर आपको फॉर्मेटिंग करनी है देन द टेक्स्ट और द ऑब्जेक्ट मस्ट बी सिलेक्टेड. सो फॉर दैट आई विल सिलेक्ट दिस 4 headings and then I have made them bold. Got it? So my headings are now bold. Then I could make the color it, right, like this. I can make the color. Then from here also I have selected my content and then I have changed its color. Any color, whatever suits you, you can select that, and then we can set the background color as well. Like my cell I have selected and then I have given that this color, right? This is the background color that I have chosen. Now these all, no border is there, so to put the border, just go over here and then apply all borders. You can do more editing in the borders, like if you want to change the line color, like black is there, if you want to change the line of the color should be changed, any color, let me take any one. Then I have changed the color of the border and then you see, right, I have now. And then I'm erasing it as it was drawn already. Let me erase this. The same formatting you can do from here, means from this format cell. See, as I am going on format cell, here is alignment, the font group, border, fill. Fill means from here what we have done, the same thing we can apply from here. Alignment and the numbering, right? So these all are, numbering means the type of data what we are entering. Like in my table, numbers are also there and text is also there. In general category both. But suppose in this column, if I will enter the data type number, then if I will press any alphabet, then that entry will not be there. Okay. So this is for the formatting. Now let's create the chart. Now for creating a chart, what you need to do, first you need to select the table from here. Then we will go to insert. In insert you can see here are the charts that are there. Click on this arrow. Now here every chart and their related pattern. Like if line chart, then these are the pattern. If column chart I am taking, then they are the table. Any of them, whichever suits according to you or whatever you like, you can decide yourself and create. Suppose I want to take this cylindrical, so I have selected this type of column, whatever is there, and then I will just click on OK. Then my chart is ready. Okay, click OK. See, here is my chart. Now this element, you know, we have already seen this. These are the legend, these are the category, these are the values, and these are their content. Like Ishi's mark of maths, Ishi's, then Charu marks of maths, and then Shalini marks of maths, right? So these are this is our chart prepared. So it's so simple to create a chart. Now here the formatting of chart is also available. Like from here you can select, like 3 different colors are there. You want to change something else, then you can just go and select like that. Now you see this is looking like a 3D, right? So this is how the formatting is possible. Many more options are there, whatever likes, it just depend on you. If I will go here on the table, see that chart tool is not there. When I will click on this chart, the last chart tools will come. For designing, this is there. Then for layout means where we want to change the data style or the chart, that what we can do. Suppose you want to insert a chart title, okay? Like here we have not given the chart title, now we want to give it. So what we can do, chart title, enter. Now here you right click or you double click it, then write the chart table. Marks of students. So here is the chart title of my chart, right? So you can decide like the axis title you want to give. So from here you can give the axis title. Just click over here, horizontal and vertical, whatever you want, just give it. Like suppose I am giving vertical, so I will select vertical title from here. Now this is my title. So here I can write values, triple click and then value. By doing the triple click, the complete paragraph will be selected. So here is your value axis, okay? So like that. So here is your value chart, okay? So in this manner, the data labels, everything whatever you want, all the titles are there that you can change, okay? Then these legends are, as legends are showing on the right, you want to show it at top, then they will move to the top. So these all are the related to labels. So this is how you can create your table. Then format, from here you can do the formatting of text, any of the text, whatever is selected. Suppose I have selected this frame, okay, of values, and then I will go to format and here I can select, see the value, this one. So in this panel, what I only need to do, just go and click on that frame is selected. Then from formatting I can do the formatting. By layout I can design the labels, the contents, whether you want to display it or not. Then the designs means the design of this chart. So all kind of formatting will available on this chart tool, and this chart tool will appear only when the chart is selected like this. See, as I click on the other side, the chart tool has been disappear. Now as I will click, the chart tool is available, and these are the three categories on which you can format your chart, right? So this is how the formatting of the chart is possible. So what you have seen today, we have seen how to change the font face, colors and formatting of the table, the simple formatting of table. Then on the other hand, we have seen how to create a chart. What you need to do, only select the table, go to insert, right? I am repeating the steps. For formatting, select from home, do the formatting, right? For inserting the chart, just select the content, go to insert, click on the chart, whatever suits to your choice, just click on that, chart is ready. To insert labels for table, for legends, for axis or whatsoever, just what you need, click over the chart, go to chart tools, layout and insert. For changing the design, go to design tab and here are the options. Then for making the formatting of chart elements, go to format like this. So this is how we can create a chart, how we can format a chart. Now the whatever is what's left now, only the thing is left, that is go to insert and these different types of chart that I will explain you what are these different type of chart, what are the difference in between. Okay, what area chart meant, what is the meaning of pie chart, what is line chart, these all we will see in next class, and along with that we will do the book exercise as well. So that's all for the day from my side. If you have the system, you can apply it. If you not, then just note down, keep it in your mind. This, if you are having WPS in your phone, then you can do the Excel work in that also. If it is not there, then no problem. I wish that soon we will meet in school, and there in computer lab we will perform the practical. Okay, so that's all from my side. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.